So this week we're going to be finding the volume of rectangular prisms. The difference is that these rectangular prisms in particular are missing part of the shape. So step 1 is to find volume of the total shape. We're going to ignore the part that is missing. So using our volume formula, length times width times height, we know that we're going to have, this is the length, an 8-inch box times the depth is 9 inches, and then the total height is 10 inches. So when we do that, we get 8 times 9 is 72 times 10 is 720 inches cubed. That's the same thing we did with just plain boxes. But now we have to do the second part because it is missing a little chunk. And so we have to find total volume for a missing piece. Alright, and this is where you really have to use your head. You know that this piece right here is 8. If you scroll up, it tells us that we have 4 left. So then this piece right here is also 4 because 8 take away 4 is 4. So now we know this is 9 and it has all of that, so that would be 9. And then the height. We know this whole thing is 10 and this little piece is 8, so that means that this must be 2. The height is 2. So now we multiply. We get 4 inches, because that's the piece that's missing, times 9 inches times 2 inches. That's not how to spell that. And 9 times 4 is 36, and 36 times 2 is 72 inches. And then it is also cubed because there are 3. So our last thing would be subtract total from the missing piece, which would be 720 minus 72, which becomes 648 inches cubed. And I'm going to post 2 more videos using these types of shapes, but it is a little bit difficult if you can't see in the 3-dimensional world. You'll be given an opportunity to practice on the 3rd video, and then we'll self-check. Similar, if we wanted to find the surface area for this picture or for this particular side, we would do the same exact thing, except for we would use the numbers according to the side that we wanted to shade. But you won't have to do that this week, so I'm not going to really dive into that in depth.